today we're gonna go see monster trucks. We're so excited. I don't know who needs to know this, but we're royalty. So talk to us nice from now on. What's that, enchiladas? Fajita tacos. Ooh!
Your man is up.
I'm so nervous right now. Okay. I want to win so bad. I should have let you take that truck.
They're wild. I love them so.
Feels good, you know what? Every time I come here, you guys just raise the bar. Oh man, from the bottom of my heart. If it wasn't for you, we couldn't rock out.